Hi, everyone. Welcome to Speak Mode English Podcast. I'm Maggie, and today we're going to talk about 5 smart ways to improve your English speaking skills. These tips are easy, and I will explain everything slowly so you can follow along. Let's get started.
Hi, Maggie. I'm excited to learn with you today. I really want to speak better English.
I'm happy you're here, John, and I'm happy everyone listening is here too. Don't worry. Today, we'll make learning English fun and easy. So, John, let me ask you, why do you want to improve your English?
I want to speak with my friends, and I want to talk to people when I travel.
That's great, John. English is very useful for talking to people around the world. Let's begin with tip number 1. Tip number 1, practice every day. You need to practice speaking English every day. It's like learning how to play a sport or learning to ride a bike. The more you practice, the better you get.
Every day? But how can I practice every day, Maggie? I don't always have time.
Good question, John. You don't need to practice for a long time. Even 10 or 15 minutes a day is enough. Just speak a little bit every day. You can practice by talking to yourself in English. For example, in the morning, you can say things like, I am getting ready for work. I am drinking coffee. The sun is shining. Anything simple, but in English.
Ah, I see. So I can practice by talking about my day even when I'm alone?
Exactly. That's a great way to practice. You can also practice with friends or family who speak English, or you can even find a language partner online. The key is to practice every day.
Okay, I'll try to practice every day. I can talk about my day in English, right?
Yes, that's perfect. Now, let's practice a little bit together. I want you to say, I am talking to myself in English.
Okay, I am talking to myself in English.
Great, John. Now, everyone listening, try saying the same thing. Ready? Say, I am talking to myself in English. Well done. Keep practicing every day and you will get better. Now, let's move on to tip number 2. Listen to English every day. Listening is just as important as speaking. When you listen to English, you hear how people use words and sentences. It helps you understand English better.
But Maggie, sometimes I don't understand everything when I listen to English.
That's okay, John. Don't worry. You don't need to understand everything. Just listen to the words you know. Little by little, you will understand more. You can listen to podcasts, watch movies, or even listen to songs in English. And don't forget, you can listen many times. The more you listen, the easier it gets.
Ah, so even if I don't understand everything, I can still learn by listening?
Yes, exactly. Let's practice listening together now. I'm going to say a sentence slowly. Listen carefully. Here's the sentence. I am learning English every day.
Okay, Maggie, I'm listening.
Great. Now, let's say it together, slowly. I am learning English every day.
I am learning English every day.
Perfect, John. Now, everyone listening, say it too. Ready? I am learning English every day. Well done. Keep practicing listening to English every day, and you will get better and better. Let's move to tip number 3. Learn new words every day. The more words you know, the more you can say in English. If you learn just a few new words each day, after a month, you will know many new words.
But Maggie, how can I learn new words?
Good question, John. You can learn new words by reading books, watching TV shows, or even looking at pictures online. When you find a new word, write it down and try to use it in a sentence. For example, if you learn the word apple, you can say, I like to eat apples.
Okay, I will try that. But sometimes I forget new words.
That's okay, John. It's normal to forget words at first. Just keep practicing. Every time you see or hear a new word, say it out loud. The more you say it, the easier it will be to remember. Let's practice some new words together now. I will say a word slowly, and then you repeat. Ready?
I'm ready.
First word, cat.
Cat,
Great. Next word, dog.
dog,
Wonderful. Last word, house.
house.
Fantastic. Now, let's try using these words in sentences. John, can you say, I have a cat?
I have a cat.
Perfect. Now, everyone listening, try it too. Say, I have a cat. Great job! Keep learning new words every day, and soon you'll know many words in English. Now, let's talk about tip number 4. Speak slowly and clearly. It's important to speak slowly when you're learning a new language. When you speak slowly, people can understand you better. Also, you can think carefully about the words you want to say.
So I don't need to speak fast, right?
No, John, don't worry about speaking fast. Speaking slowly is okay, and it's actually better when you're learning. It helps you practice more and makes it easier for others to understand you. Let's try saying a sentence slowly. I'll say it first, and then you repeat. Hello, my name is Maggie.
Hello, my name is Maggie.
Great! Now, everyone listening, say it too. Ready? Hello, my name is Maggie. Fantastic! You're doing a great job. Keep speaking slowly, and soon you'll feel more confident. Okay, now it's time for tip number 5. Be confident. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Everyone makes mistakes when they learn something new. The most important thing is to keep practicing and try your best.
But Maggie, I'm afraid to make mistakes.
I understand, John. But remember, mistakes are a part of learning. It's okay to make mistakes. The more you speak, the less afraid you will be. You will learn from your mistakes and get better every day.
Okay, I will try to be confident and not be afraid of mistakes.
That's the spirit, John. Speak with confidence. You're doing great, and every day you will improve. Now, let's review everything we've learned today. Tip number 1, practice every day. Tip number 2, listen to English every day. Tip number 3, learn new words every day. Tip number 4, speak slowly and clearly. Tip number 5, be confident and don't be afraid to make mistakes. You can do it.
Thank you, Maggie. I learned a lot today.
You're welcome, John. And everyone listening, keep practicing every day. Your English will get better. I promise. If you enjoyed this podcast, please like and subscribe so you don't miss our next episode. Thank you for listening, and we'll see you next time.
Bye, everyone. Keep practicing your English.